Hey, what's up, guys? This is Gus with Kelly Rebuildables, and I just want to let you guys know that I made another channel in Spanish for Spanish-speaking people. Um, so check it out. I left the link in the description. If you're Spanish-speaking and prefer to see my videos in Spanish, go ahead, check it out. Subscribe to my channel, and that's it. So just want to let you guys know about my new channel. Um, So like I said, I left the link in the description. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So let's get back to the video. Okay guys, so we just went to the mail. There's junk, that's junk. I don't know what that is, but this is what I'm waiting for. This is one of the lights. So these are the halo ring LEDs. Feel pretty heavy, so hopefully they work really good. I hope so. I hope they do, but I'll have to try them out to see. So yeah, guys, got these. I know you guys still remember the Passat. I still have it. Okay guys, so I just got my next package. It's the paint. Today is Saturday. It's like 3 o'clock and just arrived from Minnesota. It's the urekem jet black paint. So check it out. So it's the box that arrived. I already opened it, but I didn't unbox it. So it's got two of these filter for the paint, I guess, for when you're pouring it. It's got two mixing cups. It's got two of these mixing sticks. Let me get rid of all this stuff in the trash can. Okay guys, so there it is. It's packed pretty tight. Everything is really tight. You can't really get it out. So this is the clear 2K MS polyurethane clear coat, 1 gallon. Then this is the grade medium urethane reducer. I believe there's two of those. No, that's not it. This is it. So I got two of these. The activator for the clear coat. And this is a gallon of jet black, silk base, super jet black base coat. That's pretty much it. There's nothing else inside. So yeah guys, $209 for this whole thing. I just hope everything turns out okay. It actually made it up pretty quick. I think it didn't I ordered it. I placed the order on Sunday. So today's Saturday. Made it here less than a week from Minnesota, I believe it is. So less than a week, guys. $209. So okay guys, so now it's time to install these lights. These are the halo lights that you guys saw. So let's get to it. Now I'm gonna have to remove the bumper for this. I'm looking for the screws, because I really don't know where they're at, so I gotta look all over just to find them and start removing them. I also removed the sensors to see if there were any of the screws underneath that plastic, but there's nothing underneath that. So, and to remove the sensor cover, guys, all you need is something that's kind of flat. So you can insert it and pop it. You can just put it in there, try to pull it, and that thing will just pop off. So that's basically it. This thing has 2 screws on it, so you can't miss them. Just remove them and that thing will just come right off. So I found this another screw on this side, and there's another one on the other side also. And then this last one on this side, that's the last one to remove, and the bumper will come right off. There it is. So now I gotta remove the headlight, because I need to take it off so I can install the LED for the halos. So that's basically 2 bolts on top, and then 2 of them on the inside behind the headlight. The one that I'm just about to remove, that one, and then there's another one on the other side. You'll see it right now, right there. That's the last one. There's only 4 of them holding the headlight. Once that one comes off, you're gonna have to remove the sprayer on the bottom of the headlight, the one that sprays the headlight with water, because it's in the way of the headlight, so it'll be hitting it. So you have to remove that one, just like I'm gonna do right now. There it is. The only thing next to do is unplug the wires and pull the headlight right out. So now that I have it out, time to install the LED. Okay, so this is your headlight. Now you're gonna turn it back, and here's the light. You're gonna twist that off. This is the plastic cap, and unplug the wire. Twist the little light till it pops, and just pull it out. That's it. That's the one. So now I have him installed. You gotta install them the same way. Just put it back in, twist it, and you should be good. So this is how it looks. So there's the difference, guys. I know that in the camera they seem a bit yellowish too, but honestly those ones are brighter. Those ones are a lot brighter than this one, but this one's got a better color to it. So see how bright these are. Check these ones out. So this is what it looks like, guys, with the headlights on. Those are the low beams. You can see the ring from here. You can see that one too. Basically, there's not that much of a difference. The difference, you'll see it in person, because like I said, in the camera they look basically the same, but in person you'll see the difference. Okay guys, so here's a night view of the lights. I had to push them in a little bit more, that's why they weren't that bright, but I pushed them in where they had to go, and well, they're a lot brighter. I don't know if the camera could tell, but there it is. They look brighter on the camera, I don't know why, but they're not as bright as they look. But yeah, I like the way they look a lot better than that one. Yeah, guys. Okay, guys, so basically we're gonna do the same. I'm gonna remove this cap. The bulb is inside. Let me disconnect it first. This is the way I did it earlier. Got a wrench there, twist it. That makes it a lot easier. So yeah, guys. Okay, guys, so now that we removed the old bulb, this is a new one. We're just gonna insert it in place, twist it, and you're good to go. Oh, and don't forget to plug your wire back. Okay, guys, so I got another package. This is gonna be the fog lights. I'm gonna try them out to see what they do. Okay, guys, so these are the fog lights, the LED fog lights, 9006. I believe, I can't remember exactly, but they were below 10 bucks. So hopefully they work. We go try them out. So these won't get plugged in like a normal bulb. You just twist them off out of the little fog light, and just be careful because they get really hot. But then you just snap the other one, twist it, and back in place. And that's it, guys. It's just basically plug and play. As I'm gonna do right now. There it is, back in the housing. And basically the same thing for the other one. It's just as simple as replacing a bulb. Now I'm just gonna put everything back together, all the front bumper and all the connect all the wires, the sensors. Well, maybe not the sensors, but I'm just gonna get the bumper back on. So these are the lights. These are the halos, and these are the fog lights. Check it out, guys. Check these out. The fog lights are kind of bright. They're not the brightest, but good for 13 bucks. I believe that's what they were. I can't remember now, but I really like the way they look, man. They look pretty cool. As you can see, guys, there's no error code on the lights. The only warning light is the one in the middle, but that's because of the brakes. I need the rear brakes. I mean the front brakes. That's what that's for. And as you can see, these are the fog lights. You see them right there in the corner. And there's no warning lights. So let's go check them out. Now you guys could hardly see them. They're too bright. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like the lights on the car. I really like them. And the best part that they were pretty cheap. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, give it thumbs up, give it thumbs down, whatever you guys want to do. If you want to see this video in Spanish or my other videos in Spanish, or you want to check out my channel in Spanish, I'll leave the link in the description of my other channel that's basically the same as this, like I said at the beginning of the video, but in Spanish. So if you're more familiar with Spanish, then go on to the channel and subscribe, guys. See you guys in the next one.